we have the actual workshop. Right.
Okay. Yeah, otherwise
Okay.
it
Thank
should
you very much
continue.
for
Yeah.
understanding. Thank you.
No,
Thank you
no,
for
thank
your
you.
cooperation. Thanks a lot. Now let me once again share the screen. And this is it. And okay. So I was saying that since Roger himself is interested in the climate, so he thinks that everybody's interested in the climate, but they put diamonds here instead of climate. So go through the tutorial, then practice what was done for yourself. So I think should I click on this thing? Okay, these are the slides. Introductory tutorial part 1 describing data. Should I make it bigger? Okay. Introduction, exploring RInStat, how you would install it, and then how you would import data from the library. And then you will get some graphs, some summaries, more ambitious analysis, and then reflections, then next steps, and then feedback and reporting bugs. Very nice. So maybe I should make it bigger, even more bigger. So welcome to this RInStat introductory tutorial. RInStat is a free menu-driven statistics software powered by R. It is designed to exploit the power of the R statistical system while being as easy to use as other traditional point and click statistical packages like SPSS or Minitab, I suppose. RNStat is the first product developed under the African Data Initiative. As many of you or some of you might know that Roger and David have done a lot of good work in the African continent. A collaborative project to support improved statistics and data literacy across Africa and beyond. The overall aim of the African Data Initiative project stretches beyond producing this software. However, RNStat is an important first step in achieving change. The original target audiences for RNStat were described in the crowdfunding campaign which launched the development. We claimed there was a need for statistics software that is easy to use, free and open source, and that encourages good statistical practices. The instat in RNStat refers to a simple statistics package first developed in the 1980s with similar aims and target audiences as RNStat, and much of the philosophy of RNStat is inspired by INSTAT. INSTAT included a special menu for the analysis of climatic data. I'm sure it must have been Roger. Roger must have done this one also. So for the analysis of climatic data, and RInStat follows this tradition, as well as including another special menu for the analysis of public procurement data. You can find out more about the ADI team here, but we can skip that. And after that, we go to the next slide, chapter 2, exploring RInStat. This section provides an initial set of examples to help you become familiar with RInStat and its general features. The installation. Once installed and open, you should see the screen that looks like this. Okay, so anybody who's going to try to install it after this session, this is what you should be getting.
Madam,
And
can I interrupt? Can I
yes,
interrupt?
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes,
yeah. One thing is Roger had developed one program Instat before, which was not
yes.
called R, but that was a very simple program. I downloaded it from old files, but now it's not available, and it will not work on probably Windows 10. It may work on 7, 8, or 9 previous
Uh-huh.
versions of Windows, but it doesn't work on Windows 10. That's how I came to know about this workshop. I inquired from Instat why it's not running on my Windows 10, and
Oh,
then the person told me, no, you contact Roger. And Roger is the person who developed it, and he has developed another RInStat program. You can do that. Then I contacted him. Then he said, "Oh, you are exactly on a right time. Yeah, you exactly on a right time. Why don't you
Dr.
join this
Sharka, you need to
workshop?"
mute your mic, sorry. Yes, I'm
Then
sorry.
he advised me that it's the right time for you to join a workshop which he is holding. So that's how I came into contact with him and got this workshop clue, and then I took up all the 5 workshops and wanted to learn it. My interest was just to find out some program which he's saying which should be easily available and freely available, because I'm retired now as professor from the university, but I still do some consultancy in my own field, which is genetics and plant breeding. And so I travel around in Africa, many countries in Africa and South Asia. That's what I have been doing. So that's how I came into contact with Roger and came to, because we have been dealing with Reading University, because we have been working together, people from Reading University. I know many people there, but I didn't know Roger. So that's how it has come up. And yeah, it's a
so this
combination of InStat and R program, which he has
Very
combined and
interesting.
put it
Well,
together.
thank you for sharing
Then
this with us. It's
interesting.
very
This is totally a random event.
yes, this is a random event. Yeah, you are right. Because my colleague, one of my colleagues sent me InStat program, which I downloaded and I've been using on my old laptop, but I couldn't put it on my new laptop. So that was the hindrance. And that's how I came to know about this workshop.
This is just
You
like, you know, so many,
Yeah.
so
you
many
reached
things
here
which
like a
become
detective.
obsolete.
Yes.
You reached here like a detective.
That's right. That's right. It's all through emails and internet exploration, and that's how we came to know. And
Well, thank you
that's how.
very much
And
for
another
sharing
thing I
this.
want to tell, madam, there is a video on this. All this is a
Okay.
written. It is a written one. If you go
Right,
back
right.
to the same
Okay.
link, there is a video. You can click on it and play it rather than reading
Yes,
it. That's how.
I actually read this Word document,
Yeah.
so I
Yes.
had an idea that this may not be a video, but
Yes.
I
Yes.
wanted everyone to be able to, you know, all of us together to get to see all these things.
You
So
can
now,
download these documents for your reference
yes,
for future
yes,
use.
sure,
But yeah,
sure.
So we
And
can
then
say
where is
where there is a will, there is a way.
that's right.
Where there is a
and
will,
where is
there is a
the
way.
video? Okay, where is
You
the
just
video
click
now?
on this icon. This click on the triangle. It should switch on. It will take you to the YouTube. Yeah, double click. Yeah. Why there is no voice?
Yes, we may watch this video later on in our own time.
Is there a question? Somebody was saying something, I thought.
I can't hear anything from the YouTube.
Oh, you can't hear anything?
No, there's no voice. There's no voice.
Aksa, can you help me with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.